In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT network error. If you've ever seen that frustrating network error message, don't worry. Most of the time it's caused by temporary glitches, connectivity issues, or a browser hiccup, and you can resolve it quickly with a few simple checks. Start by opening your preferred browser. Any modern browser works, but we'll talk about compatibility at the end. In the address bar or your search engine, look up ChatGPT and head to the official site. Once you're there, sign into your account. Being logged in ensures your session and permissions are valid, which is important for requests to complete properly. If you run into an error on a response, the fastest fix is to try again. Click the Regenerate button or type Regenerate in the message box to retry the request. Many network errors are momentary timeouts or server blips and resolve on the second attempt. A quick tip here: avoid asking for extremely long outputs in a single go. Oversized responses can hit time limits and trigger errors. Instead, break complex requests into smaller parts and build up your result step by step. If the error persists, refresh the page. A full reload resets your session with the page. If that doesn't help, sign out and sign back in to refresh your authentication. This replaces stale tokens that can cause requests to fail. Next, check whether you're using a VPN or a proxy. These can trigger security filters that block requests or interrupt the connection. Temporarily turn off the VPN or proxy, then try your prompt again. If you're on a workplace or school network, there may be filtering in place. Testing another connection can help confirm that. Speaking of connections, if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. This rules out local network issues like captive portals, restrictive firewalls, or misconfigured routers. If the page appears blank or the interface won't load, right-click anywhere, choose Inspect to open Developer Tools, then go to Network, find Network Conditions, and uncheck Use Browser Default under User Agent. Select a standard user agent and refresh the page. This can resolve rendering problems tied to user agent detection. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Updates include important compatibility and security fixes that help pages load reliably and keep connections stable. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back to chatting without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get smooth, consistent results.